If you want to eliminate delays, adapt to the digital age, and automate your cabinet production, WSCAD is the right partner to help you achieve it. With the intuitive tools and interfaces provided by WSCAD, you can take your cabinet production to the next level by using wiring and labeling systems such as CAD cable, Comax, and Steinhauer. These systems can cut, label, and bundle the wires necessary for building your electrical cabinet. To get started, be sure to draw your electrical schematics using the right data such as wire color codes and cross sections, and connection types of source and target devices. Then, using the cabinet module in WSCAD, design the layout of your cabinet with 3D view and collision check included, and with just a click of a button called routing, you will automatically get the wire routes and lengths. Now, using the production interface in WSCAD, send the data over to your wiring system of choice and let your wires be automatically produced. You'll be able to save up to 60% of engineering production time.